Hi everyone, I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So just a very quick video to let you know I am not absent. I've gotten a lot of messages in the last few days saying, where's Cristin? What's happening? And yet I'm responding to everything that's posted in our group. And so I just want to point out I am working behind the scenes to get ready for our next project. We have a brand new sponsor, so there's a little bit more hand holding and a little bit more preparation. And I should have done it when we were working on our nativity bench pillow and our nativity stuffies, but there just wasn't time. So look back, and if you notice, our last video, our last tutorial was posted on Christmas Eve, and then I took this week, just like most of you, from Christmas Eve to, or from Christmas to New Year's Day, and it wasn't off. I've actually been working really hard. I actually moved my entire craft room during this week, and I will show you. It's just about done. Everything is in place, except I have to hang the quilts and the photos, and then I'm pretty much done in my craft room. And I will show you that change. It's a very pretty change. I'm excited about it. But our next project, if you're not in our Cristin Creates group on Facebook, because I post a lot in there, but our next project is We Whisk You a Merry Christmas. And you will have seen at the end of a lot of our projects, I include our group schedule so you can know what's coming up. And if you look under the video, I always say what's coming up next. So our next project is We Whisk You a Merry Christmas. This is an older project, so it's harder for our new sponsor because it is a lot of retired products. So don't purchase it yet. I will give a full information as far as announcement video of who our sponsor is, when we're going to start, all the details. And then as always, we'll start with a prep video. So you're not behind. You haven't missed anything. I haven't posted in a week because it was the time that most people take off for vacation from Christmas to New Year's. So, and because I was moving my craft room and working behind the scenes on our next 3 projects. So a lot of back and forth with all of our sponsors and trying to narrow down details and what's going to happen, because this one is going to be a little bit different, as in there will be some substitutions since these are retired projects. So anyway, I will add our group schedule again so that you can see what's coming up. But just don't worry, I'm here. I'm working. I'm doing all the things. I'm not. I haven't left the building. I am still working on all of our stuff to get ready for our next group project, which will be We Whisk You a Merry Christmas, and full details coming soon. So again, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year, and you're ready for a year of fun for 2024.